been a while since I posted any videos, but I figured this would be a good one to post. I haven't seen too much information on the internet. The ones I have seen are kind of long videos that don't really get to the point. But I'm rebuilding this cylinder. It's off a Bradco backhoe. It's a 9-foot HD. I think it's a 98 model year come out. You can tell by the serial numbers on them. But anyhow, so this is called a retaining rod, and that's a piece of metal that's wrapped around this. It's actually straight and it has a hook in it. I figured I'd get a close-up shot of this because this is probably about the hardest thing to figure out if you've never done this before. But I try to keep my hands out of the way. Basically, you find a way, which this is just a tool from Napa. I'm sure any place has it. I got it on the internet, like 30 bucks. But it's not. There's a lot of things you can use this for. It's like a spanning tool, I think they call it, which just spans an area. But you can change these points, and it's made for round, but it works for this. These are square slots in this. That's very a little better idea what's going on here. And so when you turn this, let's make sure it didn't get out of focus. Yeah, it comes around to where you can see this retaining ring or rod, whatever it is right here. And the way this is, it looks like they just took a saw, a grinder or something, and just cut a notch in that, which is good because it has a bevel on it already. I took one of these apart already. I probably have a video on this of both of them, but this was a little better because I can get a little clearer idea what's going on here, because I didn't know myself at first. These are offset a little bit, but it isn't hard to turn, but that don't mean it some of them would be hard to turn. That's just a 1/2 inch set in there, but see, it comes up and it hits there. It's hitting right there, and it's on an angle, and it'll just come right up, and you just keep taking it around. You might have to do this a couple times. This one's coming out pretty easy though. It just comes right around. The way that's made is pretty decent. They come out really, and then there's a little hole in it there. And actually, when you get these, this part here is actually straight, but that gives you a better idea what that is. And then when you just do it in reverse, you put that in the hole and then turn it the opposite way when you're ready to put it back together. There's a little bit of garbage in here is holding this from coming out easily. Maybe from this way here, you can see that how that's right here. That's just pretty bad, but it's not that big of a deal. All I'm doing is just following that off. But I'm going to do that the whole way around. And once I get that, let me get it. Now that I dressed that up, it should come out easier, hopefully. Yeah, it's coming out slowly but surely. I think I'd get something more solid. See the seals right there. I don't want to hit it too hard, screw something up. Should probably press it out. Or blow it out, then I blow it across the room probably. Maybe I'll try a little bit of air. See if I can blow it across the room. Oh, I got this already up. Add a little pressure to it and stand right in front of it and let it spear me. Spear me. It is moving it. Oh, slow slightly. Moved it up somewhat. Let's see if it's loose now. Let's get it. Yep. Moving it further. Yep, that did it. I tell you what, that's taking a real chance. That bad boy could shoot across there. I've done it too many times. That's what I think was worse than anything, is this rubber ring here is letting the fluid past it, because this would be at the end, and when it was open the whole way, the fluid on this side would be pushing against it. It'd be running past it and coming to this side and just leaving it to go down gradually. Oh boy. Well, ain't a whole lot to change on it. I'm just showing how much it takes to get that nut off. Ratchet. The other one broke pretty easy, considering I thought it was really going to take something. But yeah, still, I mean, that's a lot. But like I said before, it's not as bad as I thought it would be, which is good. Let's see what that is. That's just the cylinder that goes inside. The nut holds this bushing on, or this plunger, whatever they call it.